Hi everyone, welcome to Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm in a collaboration, hashtag drink tips. First off, go and check out the other collaborators' channels. I'd like to shout out to Just 88, Chef Adventures, also a shout out to YesterKitchen and Blake Hadrian's channel. So I thought today I'm going to do a twist on Tom Collins' classic cocktail. Springtime's coming up, so I thought I'd zizz it up with a bit of springtime fruits. So let's take a look and see how it's done. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do for this twist on a Tom Collins cocktail is chill the glass down, because everything tastes nicer with icer. Put a little bit of orange in there as well. And just leave that there. That's the garnish for later. Then we're going to put the ice in the cocktail shaker. First off, you use some good gin, and we're going to use 4 centilitres. There it goes. Next up, we're going to use some cane syrup. Just clear. You use 25 centilitres, 2 centilitres, sorry. And because of the way things are, it was supposed to be fresh lemon juice, but I couldn't find any, so I'm going to have to use this sort of lemon juice that you put on pancakes. Hopefully it'll be alright. I'm sure it'll be fine. And that's 2 centilitres as well. Wash it in. Then for my twist, I'm going to use some frozen summery fruit. Got a couple of cherries, a strawberry and a grape. I'll put some garnish in the glass as well, so it looks pretty when we pour the cocktail in. Now we've got to give it a good shake. Just shake it until you can feel the cocktail shaker's really, really cold. So we're going to pour this in here. Look at the colour on that. There we go. And then top it up with some blueberry soda water. Just like that. And there we have it. My twist on a Tom Collins classic cocktail, but with a springtime vibe, with some cherry, grape and blueberry. Cheers everybody. Oh, that's good. Okay, so here's to the hashtag drink tips collaboration. Cheers everybody. See you again soon. That's Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Hey,